Good day, good day, everyone. And he starts talking about me, but there's something likable about him. Maybe he'll come on my show. Maybe we can talk. But like, tell me what I got wrong, bro.
That'd be interesting.
Yeah.
You and Glaze?
Yeah,
Because Glaze has a hell of a story.
yeah. I reached out to him at one point. We talked about doing something, and then it just kind of fell off. But yeah, his career on the street kind of ended when all this other shit started, like the newer rap stuff
Right.
he was more like the old days with Run DMC kind of era and all that. But he was a bad guy on the street,
Right.
legitimate bad guy.
Yeah, I've heard.
Hey, good day, everybody. Thank you for joining me. Just in case you're joining me for the very first time, I am the real Brian Glaze Gibbs. Hey, I was once the problem, now what I seek to do in my old age, be part of the solution. Hit the like button, subscribe, share, support. Hey.
We have a verdict to the members of the public. If you don't think you're going to be able to not show any emotion during the reading of this verdict, I ask you to remove yourself now. There won't be, the court won't tolerate any outburst of any sort from anyone. You wanna bring me in?
Ready, Your Honor?
Yes.
The jury's now entering into the courtroom.
Ladies and gentlemen of the jury, have you reached a verdict?
You have your own.
Four person? If you would stand and read your verdict, please.
We, the jury, find the defendant guilty of conspiracy to commit first-degree murder as charged in count 1 of the indictment. We, the jury, find the defendant guilty of first-degree murder as charged in count 2 of the indictment. And we, the jury, find the defendant guilty of convicted felon in possession of a firearm as charged in count 3 of the indictment.
Thank you. Juror number 1, is that your verdict? Juror number 34, is that your verdict?
Yes.
Juror number 35, is that your verdict?
Yes.
Juror number 11, is that your verdict?
Yes.
Juror number 14, is that your verdict?
Yes, ma'am.
Juror number 17, is that your verdict?
Yes, ma'am.
Juror number 27, is that your verdict?
It is, Your Honor.
Juror number 33, is that your verdict?
Yes.
Juror number 25, is that your verdict?
Yes.
Juror number 44, is that your verdict?
Yes.
Juror number 23, is that your verdict?
Yes, ma'am.
Juror number 28, is that your verdict?
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you. Ladies and gentlemen, I want to thank you again for your time and attention to this matter this week. Our system of self-government would not work without your service and sacrifice that you've made. Thanks again for your time and attention. You are excused.
Jurors excused.
Mr. Johnson, the jury having found you guilty of conspiracy to commit first-degree murder, and convicted felon in possession of a firearm. As the 13th juror, I affirm this verdict. As to the first-degree murder, I sentence you to life in prison. I will set punishment as to the conspiracy and the convicted felon in possession of a firearm after a sentencing hearing. The date for that hearing will be November 1st?
Yes, Your Honor.
November 1st. There's nothing else to take up?
We will prepare the judgment sheet and pass that forward, Judge.
Thank you. And the pre-sentence report. The order for the pre-sentence report.
The servants will give that, we'll give those to you.
Thank you. You may adjourn court.
All rise.
Okay, folks, the question is it time for Yo Gotti to start lawyering up? Automatically, he probably already lawyer up. But you got to see this young cat, okay, Justin Johnson, just got convicted and sentenced to life in Memphis for the murder of young Dolph. Now, you got the other guy already cooperating. So once again, are they going to make it into a federal investigation and charge him? Because once again, it was a higher hit. It was a higher hit. Despite Juke is no longer here. If they're going to try to come back, are they going to get enough evidence to say right now is that Yo Gotti was responsible for his own brother demise? Because he's the only one, the connection between these two? So like I told you, man, people do not understand. These young cats waste their life over $800, $1,600. They was promised $100,000. Man, stop being hoodwinked by the street. Stop trusting the street. You know what? Only way you know right now what you're going to get is if you have a jobby job or you own your own business. If you go punch that clock, you know right now whatever you're making an hour time, 40 hour, if you're getting overtime, time and a half, you know what the hell you're going to be getting. You don't have to worrying about getting a life sentence, getting a possible death sentence. It's not worth it, man. The street life is overrated. Hit the like button, subscribe, share, support. The Real Brian Glaze Gibbs. If I can change, anybody could change. One love.
Beyond Lucky by Brian Glaze Gibbs. Thank you so much for sending me my personalized autographed copy. I've had the pleasure of knowing you for a long time, so I'm really excited to get to know some of your stories and what made you you and how this redemption came about. I know you're a changed man, and I'm looking forward to seeing the whole process of how it happened. Thank you.
Oh, thank you so much, Brian Gibbs. I love this book so much. I mean, I was a fan of your YouTube channel, but now I'm like a real up close and personal fan. I really love what you have going on here. And not only that, but I too was once lost and now I'm found. So thank you, Brian, for this autographed copy. I appreciate you.